I have some of these Cheez-It crackers here. These are the ones that are a little cheesy. Oh my gosh, that was really dumb. I've got some peanut butter. We're gonna take our cracker and we are just gonna scoop some of that peanut butter out, and we're gonna put a little dollop on here. Now you can add as much peanut butter as you like, and then we're gonna go ahead and sandwich that peanut butter in just like that. And then we're gonna take this and move it to the side, and we're just gonna continue making these little peanut butter, what are these, like peanut butter sandwiches. Y'all, this is gonna be a really delicious dessert snack, I would say. And it's actually gonna taste like one of your favorite candy bars. Let me know down below which candy bar you think this is gonna taste like. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and continue making these, and I'll see you back here in just a minute. Okay, so we got all of our peanut butter little sandwiches all done. Now let's move this to the side. Now I have about a cup of these chocolate chips, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of coconut oil. Now I'm gonna add about, I don't know what, about half a teaspoon. We're gonna start there. The main thing is you don't wanna add more oil than what you need, because it's not gonna, the recipe is not gonna work if you add too much oil. So it's always better to just add a little bit, and if you need more, we'll add more. So I'm gonna go ahead and microwave this in 30-second intervals until it's all melted. Okay, so we melted our chocolate chips, and this is kind of the consistency that you're gonna be looking for, kind of a drizzle. So there's a few different ways that we can do this. I'm gonna show you a couple different ways. The first way is we're gonna go ahead and take our sandwiches, and if you can see, I'm just gonna dip it about halfway into the chocolate, just like that. And then we're gonna just set it on top of our lined parchment paper. And then I have some of these Reese's Pieces, and what you're gonna do is just go ahead and take one and put it right on top, just like that. Now, another way that you can do this is we're gonna take our sandwich and then we're gonna dip it halfway in like this. So we're gonna dip it in just like that, halfway in. This is a little bit cleaner way of doing it. And then we're gonna set it back onto our parchment paper. And of course, we're gonna go ahead and add that little Reese's Pieces on top. Now, the third way that you can do it is go ahead and take your chocolate and then just drizzle it right on top. And this is gonna give you a little bit extra chocolate. So if you're looking for that, then this is the way you're gonna wanna do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of these up, and I'll see you back here for the best part of this video. Now we're gonna put these in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. We're just looking to get the chocolate to set up and be hard. All right, so I just pulled them out. They've been in there about 15 minutes, and as you can see, the chocolate has gotten hard, and oh, look at this one. It just like flipped over. That's hilarious. So anyways, now it's time for the taste test. I am super excited. Let's go ahead and do this one right here. It's nice and cold now, which I'm excited for. Okay, y'all, let's taste this. Let's just put the whole thing in our mouth. It's so good. The peanut butter, the chocolate, and the saltiness of that cracker is so delicious. These are gonna be so great for parties, and they're so easy to make. And this reminds me of a peanut butter finger candy bar, like exactly. So this is like a homemade peanut butter candy bar. It's so delicious. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. And if you'd like to see another recipe, click on the video link right here, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.